Are we recording?
Richard. And now Molly. Powell. Let's go fucking party.
Fuck yeah!
Woo!
Yeah! How far away should I stand away from people to get good angle?
Doesn't matter. Let's fucking rage.
Wide angle? Alright.
I'm just gonna leave it recording and it's blinking as long as it's blinking.
Alright, cool.
I figured you'd like it.
Fuck yeah, let's go.
How do you Charlie Brown?
I don't know. Who this?
Live action up there.
Alright. Come over here into the light. Come here to the light. No, we're recording. Come to the light.
Yeah, we'll get him later.
Alright.
Nice.
Alright, so we're recording right now. I want y'all to say something. You want like a message to convey to either Rich or Molly, or a funny story or anything you can say. Like I said, we're recording. So go ahead. You guys got any funny stories you want to share?
I'd say Molly is just a little bit older than I. She's my first cousin.
Okay.
Great person. So it's her and then me, and then I'm getting it, and I'll be the next one to get wed. But I gotta tell you, Molly, you've done a great job. I love Rich. I think he's a great guy. Great pickup. Big league. Big league.
Alright. You got anything to say?
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Alright. Now we're recording. Do you have any messages you want to say to Rich or Molly? Any funny stories? Any messages you want to convey to them?
Just congratulations to you both, and Rich is always right.
Rich, you better listen to her. You better listen to her. Stanley, come here.
Hold on.
Listen. Alright.
What's up? Where am I listening?
Hey, we're recording.
Yes.
Now listen. Do you have any funny stories or anything, any messages you want to convey to Molly or Rich?
Oh my God.
Go on, you better start speaking, boy.
I can't.
Yeah, listen, this is the part you don't have to be G-rated. This ain't a toast, this is going to them, so you better start speaking, boy.
I'm not that drunk yet. You come back to me.
No, alright.
Oh, no, come back.
Alright, give me something for now, I'll be back though. Give me something right now.
Oh, story about social event of the year. Oh my God, yes. Social event of the year. He'll understand
Oh
it.
my Lanta.
As well as goulash.
Oh my goulash. I love that word.
Let's go dance. Let's go, Mitch.
I like to wasabi, of course it's me, better known as the Master G. Fucking extra, six the day.
How you doing?
Oh my God.
Hey, come here, come over here. Get over here. Alright. Now listen, we're recording. So do you have any messages or funny stories you want to share with Rich or Molly? Now mind you, she's right
I
there.
want to keep looking up.
Alright, come here. You gotta speak up. Alright, so we're recording. Do you have any funny stories you want to share with either Rich or Molly, or any messages you want to convey to them?
First of all, I gotta say congratulations, Rich and Molly. Best of luck to you in the future. Can't believe that we're 2.5 hours, 3 hours away from each other. We're gonna be seeing each other a lot more than we already do. Second, funniest story with Rich. I'd have to say the funniest story with Rich is the milk jug. And when I say jug, Richard sure does know what I mean. We had this big plastic milk jug, and it was an ad, a refrigerator ad for intense chocolate milk. Well, I jacked that thing from a closed store and put that in the bed of my truck. And then for the next couple of weeks made its way around our trucks from truck bed to truck bed. Mitch, stay still, okay? I know you've had a beer or two,
I
but
also need to like angle the camera up a little
That's
bit.
wide angle.
I know my chin is gonna be showing for this
Alright,
video.
how's that?
All right, come back down to earth here for me. There you go, right there, okay? So this milk jug made its way around, and then finally the one day I left Rich's house in Lancaster. It was pretty late at night. I'm like, I got the best place for this jug. I stopped the truck right off Robin's Nest, put it on the sidewalk. The very next morning, I get a Snapchat as he's on his way to work, and it's the milk jug. He said he was crying, he couldn't even drive. So, funniest story has to be the jug. The jug will always be a great fond memory that me and Rich share together. So,
Oh gosh.
again, congratulations. Jessica and I couldn't have been any happier to be here
Congrats, guys. It was
with
beautiful.
y'all. We love you guys, and best wishes. Thank you.
Fuck yeah.
Can't wait to double date when you're actually not working, Molly.
You motherfucker, that's my beard.
Mitch's beer.
It's got cooties on it now.
All right, go get the next guy.
Alright. Excuse me. So we're recording right now.
Perfect, come on. It's our turn.
Get over here. So we're recording. Don't worry, we'll edit everything out. But is there anything you want to share with Molly or Rich? Any messages or any funny stories you guys want to go ahead and share? Or, so they can review on it later. Let me get in position. Alright, so you guys got anything you want to say?
Yes, Molly and Rich made all your ups and downs and lost in between the sheets. Oh, good God, Mom. Hey, Donna. We love you.
Congrats, Molly and Rich.
We love you, honey. And we like you, Rich. I'm just kidding. We love you.
Now, pause. I know you got some funny stories to share with Molly.
No.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
Alright, how about any secret, kind of code words that'll make her crack up? Yeah, see, you got that shit-eating grin on your face. Code words. Lamps. Was that lips? Lips. Code word lips. Alright. Thanks, guys. Forward! Get over here. Alright, so I'm recording right now, okay? So I'm going around and I'm asking everybody a funny story or a message they want to give to Rich or Molly. So if you got a funny story, anything you want to say, go ahead and say it. So Ford, what do you got to say, bud?
Pizza.
Pizza. Anything else you want to say?
Pizza.
That's fair. Cheers. Blow some bubbles. Caress me with your soapy water. You motherfucker. Alright, well, I got you. So I'm recording right now. Is there anything you want to say to Rich or Molly? Any funny stories or any messages you want to convey to them? This is going to be for them. It does not have to be G-rated. Go ahead and say it. What do you got to say? Go on, let her rip. Nothing? Hey guys, see you guys real quick. So we're recording right now, and we're recording this video for Rich and Molly. So is there any messages you want to convey to them, or any funny stories you want to share that they can review? Now see, this is not like a toast. It does not have to be G-rated. It can be funny. So go on. Yeah. All right. Okay. Alright. I mean, Rich isn't that funny to start with, so he's a pretty boring guy.
I actually just met Rich.
Really?
Yeah. I had met him before.
He's a hell of a guy. Despite what she tells you, he's pretty funny.
I've heard him park vehicles in numerous locations.
Oh.
Not originally designed to park a vehicle.
You are not wrong, sir. You are not wrong. I mean, Lofty kind of mentioned about that. Yeah, well, never mind. We won't get into that.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Have a good one. All right, did I get you yet with the video?
Yes.
All right, your turn. Get over here. Get over here. All right, so I'm recording right now.
Yes.
So do you have any messages you want to share with either Rich or Monty, funny stories, or any messages you want to convey? So hold on, you ready? I'll give you a second. Think of something. Now, mind you, this isn't a toast. It does not have to be G-rated. This is for them. It's not for anybody else. All right. All right. You ready? So what do you got to say, boss?
Molly, I remember the last time I saw you before this wedding. I had this giant zit on my head that's still here. It was like unicorn horns. It was your birthday. I hope you remember the moment you walked in, took a seat, you're like, I'm not dealing with that. Cover that up with your hair. And I had a lot of hair and it was specifically to cover it. And Rich was like, we'll go Lansing. I'll do it right at home. And you're like, go see a doctor. I had to see a doctor. You were right. Rich was not right. So, Rick, Molly, you're right. You're always going to have the hand up.
Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch.
Is this a live action update?
Live action update! We're here in the wilderness with the wildebeest. Can you believe this wildebeest got married?
No.
What are you doing marrying an ogre? What are you doing marrying an ogre?
Hello, I'm an ogre.
Get bitch wear. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Alright, we're going over to the fire. We're going over to the fire. We're gonna get a couple of interviews over by the fire. Gene! Alright, so we are recording right now. Now lean in so the fire catches your fucking face with the camera. Gene, we're recording right now. Do you have any messages you want to say to Rich or Molly? Any funny stories you want to share? Now mind you, this is not a toast. It is for them, so it does not have to be G-rated. So look into the camera and tell me, what do you got to say to Rich and Molly?
Get back to me on this. I didn't know you're putting me on the spot.
That's what I'm good at. Now think, right now, go, shoot. What about you? You got anything, dear? I know you. Bullshit. I know you got stories.
Have sex a lot.
Look at me. Aside, that is a great message. Let's go over yonder. Let's go over yonder. All right, we gotta stay by the fire though, so the camera kind of sees. Now, this is for Rich and Molly. It is not a toast. You can be nasty as fuck if you want. Any funny stories you want to share with them? Any messages you want to convey to them? Go ahead and say it. What do you got to say?
You two are fantastic together.
Fantastic.
Molly, make sure that his car does not blow up. It is not a fun experience.
Oh, that sounds like there's a story behind that.
There is. The first time I ever met him, he had just bought one of his Saabs. So we get on 75. It's 7:30 in the morning. Hey, as soon as this motherfucker guns it, a radiator blows. And so white smoke just billows from under his hood. So I'm like, damn it, I done went out with a serial killer. That's what I did with my life. So I'm sitting on the side of 75 in his car going, I have made a poor life choice. I'm going to die. So then, long story short, one of his friends comes and rescues us, and we have to drive around the city of Smyrna trying to find a new hose before going to a car show.
So is Rich pretty good at finding them hoes?
You know, he does have a lot of hose. Keeps it real clean, buffs them up real well.
Yeah.
And then they explode. White stuff goes everywhere.
Well, if you treat a hose right, that's normally what happens.
Oh my Lanta. You treat a hose right, you buff her up real nice, and next thing you know, you're fucking exploding with white shit everywhere.
You know, that's what you gotta do.
Oh my God. Oh my Lanta. Jesus Christ. Alright, Gene, you got anything to say, bud?
Don't top that.
I got nothing that can top that.
Alright, you don't have to top it, just give a funny story, goddammit. Gene, what do you got to say to Rich and Molly? Funny stories or messages you want to convey?
Rich, I'm surprised that all the shit we've ever been through together, we've never gotten arrested. You know, coming on my last night before I left for the military, picking me up in the falls, taking me out to dinner, driving around with you and Kyle Tower, sticking our heads out the window, yelling at random people, that fucking family walking their fucking kids down the street. Was it you or Kyle that stuck their head out the window and go, "Excuse me, do they have the same father?" We need you both up there.
Son of a bitch, let's go.
toasting the rich, and I want to get this shit.
All right, here we go. Fucking Sunday.
Keep going.
716.
Fucking Sunday.
404 to the 716.
What are we doing? Jesus, I ain't been this fancy in a long time.
Hey, he got the garter, so he might be.
What about my garter? You don't know. You're not supposed to know about that.
Well, he's not down by the fire talking to a woman.
Oi! Get over here.
Oh yeah, chat.
Is this just Buffalo people? And one Atlanta kid? Hey, Mike Chevy, where you at? When it's destiny, I said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. By the way, you're all being recorded. This is evidence.
Hey, Jughead. Congratulations, Jughead.
How the hell did a damned Yankee wind up with a Southern Belle? Cheers! Jesus, what is this, your first time? I remember 5th grade. Yeah, what he said. We're about to go break out that Jim Beam again. The hell it is. The 1.75, that shit is not going.
Hey, Mitch, we're gonna get the Bill Shout song.
Let's go.
I don't think they have it.
They're gonna have to use